So yesterday I got up at 5 a.m. and I went outside and it was 60 degrees out. And if that's not shocking enough, I woke up this morning at 7:30 a.m. and, well,
"2,000 years later."
so it has not stopped snowing for the past, I don't know, 6 hours. I gotta drive in this today, so that should be a blast. All right, Tyson. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. This is it, right here. This is the last time I'm gonna see him. I'm heading out. When I get back, he'll be living in his new place. If only he knew. If only he knew. All right, bud. It's been fun. It's been a fun 3 months. This sucks. He's like, "You're coming back, right?" "Yeah, I'm coming back. But, you won't." Hi, buddy. That wasn't my favorite thing ever. So, yeah. Whole lot of winter out here. I got some car taken care of and to do. Look at all that. Look at all this snow. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. We went from absolutely zero snow to like this amount of snow. I'm gonna need this. Wish me luck. Okay. Let's take a look around before I leave. Because I don't think it snowed in Vermont. So, we want to get some cool scenic shots before I head out. I'm wearing sweatpants with ankle socks, so I don't know how long this is gonna last. Alright, that was fun. But, oof. It's time to get heading out. Look at that. It looks so cool. This is the winter I've been wanting all winter. Is everything completely white, the quietness of it. This is what winter's all about.
Facing tempest and